Alright, update guys, update. I was unable to get these 3 screws out. I tried an impact screwdriver, it didn't work. So I just ripped the trim out. I seen the OBS in the junkyard, Suburban or Silverado. I'm gonna just go try to pull the trim off of it. I'm gonna try to get these out with some vice grips. If that doesn't work, then I'm gonna have to drill them out and retap them. You don't want to do that. Oh well. I got the kick panel right here, propped up with the bungee cord. Over here, this one bolt, I was able to do this to it. So I'm gonna prop it up with the bungee cord. On this trim, you got 1, 2, 3 bolts. The screws actually, that bottom one right there is stripped. So I just ripped the carpet out. Let me prop this up and I'll show you guys how I'm gonna pull back the carpet. All right, so we got this trim piece right here propped up. So I'm just gonna pull the carpet back. Wish me luck. This thing is fucking dirty. Woo, look at that rust. All right, here we go. Probably gonna need both my hands for this. So we'll be back. Alright, so I got the cable completely off. Aside from that clip sliding right through here, these tabs right here have to get pushed in order for you to pull it out of its mount. This thing right here fell out. I'm not really sure what it is, but I think that's what tells the dash what gear you're in, and it goes like that. And as you can see, it's all rusted and corroded. I believe it still works. So it's not really my preference to do this, but I am just gonna zip it tight over here, and call it a day, because I am so frustrated with this 3500, man. But yeah, the reason I'm changing the shift cable is because it broke from right here. Also, it got bent. Yeah. Well, time to start routing the other one. I'm pretty sure this is all you guys need to know, how to put this back together. It's a lot of work. I really don't recommend you do it on your own. I highly regret taking this job, but if you live and you learn, you know, you gotta know how to pick and choose your battles. This was just a really uncomfortable job, you know. It's really hot. I'm inside the truck. The sun's beating down on me. But whatever, we got it done. Don DIY out. Holler at your boy.